Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm gonna showing you how you can identify who is your competitor. Okay, so this will be the very good video for you. So if you want to identify who will be your competitor or who is your current competitor, each and everything, if you want to find it, then watch the video till the around in the next step. Okay, so first of all, you can see identify your competitors, search your target keywords on Google, then note the top 5 to 10 ranking website. Ignore big one like Wikipedia, Amazon unless relevant. These are your real competitors. So let's see how can we find it. Okay, so suppose my targeted keyword is pre-diabetes. Okay, pre-diabetes is my targeted keyword. When I search it in Google with the name of pre-diabetes, you can see here is the Cleveland Clinic pre-diabetes, then WebMD. So this is basically for my country, but if you want to search it for any type of country, any country, then you can click on I search from. You can open this website, and after that you can search from any country by this tool. Okay, so suppose I am searching from United States. So here is the United States. The language will be English, and then my targeted keyword will be pre-diabetes, right? Okay, after that I can search it. Click on search, then you can see from the I search from as well, the result is this one. Okay, so you need to off the test mode. Here you can see the test on, so you need to make it off. Okay, so you can make the result professionally. Here is the pre-diabetes and pre-diabetes related competitor website that already shown to you. Here is the first one, here is the second one, and here is the third one. One by one you need to identify who will be your competitors. Okay, so suppose here is the website will be my competitor, so I will note it down. Here you can see one, the second one, here is the second one, so I'll also note it down. Okay, so suppose these two are my competitors, so you need to find out the competitors like me, but there will be no 1 2 3 competitors. You have 5 10 or 20 competitors. Okay, so I'll check with these two as an example. Okay, so here is the second method. Check competitor keywords. How you can check competitor keywords? Uber Suggest for free, and these two tools for paid. Okay, so you need to go to the Uber Suggest. Here is the Uber Suggest. Okay, here is the website. So now I'll go to my list that I have right in here for the website, copy them, then here you can see the website is here. Just enter your website that you want to analyze, then click on search. Okay, here is the United States, so you can check the country wise as well. So my country is United States that I have searched from. Then here is the your keywords related and others informational related, organic and domain authority and everything. Okay, so here you can see the traffic overview of this website. Organic keywords are 133. If I click on the organic keywords, then they will show us what is the organic keywords. Okay, here are the organic keywords that have in the website. So you can check how type of keyword or what type of keywords your competitors are using. Okay, at the same way you can do for this website as well. This one is the first rule. Okay, the second one is the third one, analyze their top pages. How you can analyze their top pages? Here you can see is the Ahrefs, SEMrush, SimilarWeb, and also find which blog post pages bring them the most traffic. So for this you need to add the SimilarWeb website. Okay, so for this you need to open the SimilarWeb tool like me. Here is the SimilarWeb tool. You can see the monthly visitor of this page is 61.2 million, so it is huge, right? And the keywords are WebMD, traffic number is 99.2k, drag interaction, and also others. Okay, so you cannot beat this without any proper knowledge of SEO. Okay, so here you can see the traffic source from the search, direct, referrals, and everything. So if you want to add the tools like this extension in your Chrome or in your browser, then you need to go to the Chrome Web Store. Then you can search here SimilarWeb. Okay, SimilarWeb website traffic extension. So here is the extension. You can add it into your website, and after that you can analyze the traffic for every pages. Okay, And others tool are here. You can see the SEMrush, Ahrefs and others. Okay, and if you want to go to the Ubersuggest, you can also check the ideas of rank tracking and each and everything from the backlinks and site audit and others. Okay, now the backlink analysis. So if you want to analyze the backlinks of this website, your competitor website, then you can search here backlink checker. If you search in Google or any type of browser backlink checker, then you can see this website is Ahrefs. And if you want to check for your competitor website, here is the website. Copy this and then go to the tool, then subdomains, exact URL. You will need to set up the exact URL, then check backlinks, then it will show you the backlinks, how many backlinks they did and in the past, and linking website and each and everything. Now you can see 821 backlinks they already did, and here are the backlinks one by one. You can check from your site. Okay, this is the another way to analyze your backlinks for your competitor's website. Content gap analysis. Content gap means your website and compare your domain and competitor's domain. Here is the compare your domain. So I hope you have a domain that you want to use for your website, and also your competitor have another domain. Domain means this website name. Here is the domain. Okay, now let me check domain authority for you. Domain authority checker. So if you go to the domain authority checker, then here is your competitor website. Suppose this one. Then I will go to the domain authority. Then I will click check authority. Okay, so here you can see they are showing the domain rating is 39, backlinks 1.2k, linking website 228. If it will be like over 70 or 80 plus, then you can say this one is very good. So your competitor's domain authority is low, so this is the plus point for you. Okay, now site speed and technical SEO. So if you want to check the site speed test, if you go to the web dev, then paste your competitor website, then click on the analyze, then they will show you the proper speed of this site and each and everything. Okay, in another way you can check by clicking on the mouse right side, then click on inspect, then go to the lighthouse, then you can see here is the performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO. Just click on analyze and page load. This one is for mobile version. You can check for as well for desktop version. Here you can see they already generated the result for the mobile version. Performance is 39, accessibility is 86, best practice is 50, SEO score is 85. So here is the performance. Performance is just 39. So this is not good. This is another plus point for you. Okay, and if you go to the desktop mode of this website, and now again check, you want to check the lighthouse speed and each and everything, then you can check. Okay, so I hope you understand about the site speed checking of the website. Check their content strategy. So this one is totally depending on you. You need to post your frequency related, and also you can see their types of content like blog, case studies, guides, videos that they are posting, and engagement, comments, shares. And after that you need to compare with your own blog post and others. Okay, so I hope you understand that, and if you feel this video is very important for you, then hit the subscribe button. Or if you want to do the AI SEO for your website and each and everything, then I am suggesting you to use Boostify. Okay, Boostify is a tool that will help you to generate and make the keywords related idea and each and everything. Okay, so this tool is designed with AI SEO, and this tool help the website SEO owner or website owner to do the AI SEO. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Let's see in the next video.